fresh, tender, full of umami. Hey guys, welcome to Amy's Kitchen. This is Amy and that's my cat Richie. Richie. We are here to make some friends and share cooking skills. Yay! Today, let's cook braised eggplants. Its Chinese name is Homestyle茄子. It's a classic Chinese homestyle dish. Fresh, tender, full of umami, easy to make and perfect with rice for any meal. First, let's prepare the ingredients. I bought the eggplants at the market nearby. They cost me 3 yuan in total. These 2 eggplants are just enough for one dish. I'm going to wash the eggplants. Cut them into small pieces. Put them into a big bowl and set them aside. Mince the garlic. Chop the spring onions and set them aside. Look, eggplants, 茄子 garlic 大蒜 spring onions 小葱 are prepared. Sichuan peppercorns 花椒 are optional. Cooking oil 油 soy sauce 生抽 oyster sauce 蚝油 sugar 糖 salt 盐 cornstarch 玉米淀粉 will be needed. Now let's get started. Add a little salt to the eggplant, 盐, mix well and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then wash the eggplant. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Now I will make the sauce. Prepare half a bowl of water. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce, 生抽. Add a little oyster sauce, 蚝油, a little sugar, 糖, and minced garlic, 蒜末. Mix well and set aside. Heat the pot and add oil, 油. Sichuan peppercorns are optional. Personally, I really love their flavor, so I usually fry them until they release their fragrance, then remove them. Now add in the eggplant, 茄子. Stir fry them for a minute. Add the sauce mixture. Stir fry evenly. Cover it and simmer for 3 minutes until the eggplants are fully cooked. Keep on stirring while simmering. Add spring onions to decorate. It's done. Wow, it looks great. Please try it. It's lunchtime. It tastes great, fresh and very healthy. No deep frying. I also have some blueberries with my lunch, 蓝莓. Richie is also having his cat food, and he has a good appetite as always. After lunch, it's playtime for Richie. Today, I'm going to make a little toy for him with his fur. As the weather is getting warmer, he's shedding a lot. I'm going to comb his fur and make a little fur ball for him to play with. He seems love it when I comb his fur. Wow, that's quite a lot. Enough for making a little fur ball. The fur ball is almost ready. Here you go, Richie. Richie seems happy with his new toy and keeps chasing it. It's one of his favorite moments of the day. This is our cooking and lunchtime routine. Peaceful, cozy, and slow. Hope you enjoy it. Here is the full recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.